welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be looking into setting up your Amazon KDP profile and payment system, which is way different from publishing a book on Amazon. So if you are in search of a video that would guide you on publishing your book, they probably want to check on the channel because we have a video on that already. But for this video, it's just about setting up your profile and payment system. So if that's what you are in search of, then you are at the right place. Then the first thing you want to do is log on to kdp.amazon.com. it will show you it should pop up a page like this. Then you click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it will bring you to this page where you should either put in your email or phone number, then password. Then you want to click on create your KDP account. Then it will bring you to this page, the next page, where you have to put in basic information like your name, your emails. Let me just quickly fill mine. To click on is create your KDP account. Then the next page, you'll be asked to solve a puzzle. So they said you'd have to solve that puzzle 3 different times. Then once you are done solving the puzzle, it will bring you to a page where you have to verify your email address, because an OTP will be sent to your email. So after your email verification, then you would be asked to add in a mobile number. First, you want to change the country to whatever country you are located. Then you want to click on add mobile number. Then an OTP will be sent to that phone number. Then after you've input the OTP, you want to click on create your Amazon account. Then after that, you will be brought to a page like this. Then you want to click on agree. So the next page is a page like this. Yes, you've inputted all your necessary information, but you will still see something at the top of this page saying your account information is incomplete. To publish a book, you will need to complete this. Now you want to click on update now. Then you will be asked for your phone number and click on send OTP. Then once you've inputted your OTP, you want to click on continue. So the next page is going to look like this, where you will still be asked some personal information. You'll be asked business type. You want to pick individual, input your date of birth. Then after inputting your city, you'll be asked for your postal code. If you do not know your postal code, you can browse it out. If you know it, you want to input it here. The next thing, we're going to ask for our phone number again. You would want to paste that here. Then this next place is, I think we would want to put more focus on this particular aspect. So this is where you'll be asked for your bank information, and at this point you would actually need a Payoneer payment system. If you don't already have a Payoneer account, you can actually check out the video on setting up a Payoneer account. We have it on the channel. I'll leave it in the description. So what Payoneer does is that it provides you with foreign account informations. So once you have your Payoneer set up, you can actually come here and input the information. You want to click on United States. Then they would ask you for so many banking informations, and you will get all those informations from your Payoneer account. Okay, like I already told us, we would get in every bank information we want from our Payoneer account. So I have inputted my bank informations, like my US bank informations, and I want to click on add. So now the next aspect of information you want to fill in is your tax information. This is another place where I feel if you're in Nigeria, you have to pay more attention, because you want to click on complete tax information. You click on save and continue. Then after you've clicked on Then after that, you'll be brought to a page where they will ask you what is your tax classification. You want to click on individual. Are you a US citizen? You want to click on no. Are you acting as an intermediary agent? Click on no. Then at this point we'll be asked country citizenship. You would pick your country. Then we will be asked. So it is at this point a lot of persons actually get confused. You'll be asked, you want to click on I have a non-US tax identification number, because this tax identification number part is where a lot of persons actually get it confused. So if you are not a US citizen and you do not have a US tax identification number, you just want to impute any number from a government issued ID card from your country. For me, I would be using my passport number. Then at the bottom of this page, you would be asked for your signature. Then at this point, you just want to put in your full name. You have to put in the exact name you actually imputed as your name from the initial stats. So I would be doing that. And you want to click on save and preview. So that is it about setting up your Amazon KDP profile. So once you go back to the bookshelf page, you realize that you are no longer told that you have incomplete information and all of those. You would see now you have the create icon and all of that. So it is at this point you want to start publishing your books, because you have everything set up. You have your profile completely set up, you have your payment system completely set up. That way when people actually purchase your book, you get paid. So thank you for sticking with me to this point, guys. If you really enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel and share to a friend that you know would find this video helpful. Thanks a lot.